lily. Rain lily is a bulbous perennial in the Amaryllis family that is native to southern North America south to Central and South America. There are over 70 species along with numerous hybrids and cultivars. In the wild, they often burst into bloom immediately few days after a good soaking rain. That's why it is called rain lily. Their blooms typically last for a short period, generally 1 to 2 days. However, they can bloom quickly after rain, with some varieties blooming within 3 to 5 days of a rain shower.